Hello everyone, and welcome to the Green Kitchen channel. Today, we're preparing together my recipe for Babaganoush, a Middle Eastern eggplant-based cream that everyone loves and is incredibly versatile. Let's get started with preparing the Babaganoush. First, we wash and dry about 1 kilogram of eggplants. Then, we cut them in half lengthwise and score the flesh in a grid pattern without puncturing the skin. On the other side, we gently massage them with some olive oil on the flat side and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now, we bake them in a static oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about an hour. Once the baking is done, they will look smaller and wrinkled. Let them cool down a bit. And then, we delicately scoop out the flesh using a spoon. As we extract the flesh, we put it in a strainer or a colander to drain the excess water that we don't need. Let the flesh sit here for a few minutes and then transfer it to our blender. Next, we add tahini, a cream made from blended sesame seeds, which can be easily found in organic supermarkets or Asian stores. We also add the juice of 1 lemon, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a bit of pepper. Blend everything for a moment until the mixture appears quite smooth. Once the mixture is smooth, we add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and briefly blend it one last time. Now we transfer everything to a bowl and decorate it with an additional drizzle of olive oil, mint, and seeds. If desired, paprika, both sweet and smoked, also goes very well with this eggplant cream as an appetizer or to use as an ingredient for sandwiches or flatbreads. Even better, you can serve it inside pita bread, following the traditional way. Babaganoush can be kept in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. You can also freeze it and take it out of the freezer at least 2 hours before serving, allowing it to thaw naturally. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. All the ingredients are listed in the description, as in all my videos. If you don't want to miss the next content, please subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Leave a like and a comment with feedback on the recipe. Thank you for spending your time with me, and we'll see each other very soon on the Green Kitchen channel in the next video.